Dawn brings best tobacco harvest.
The soil welcomes the walker home. Fuzzy leaves hold morning's gift. Field shows 70 years best.
Best crop in 70 years. Sun wakes, green sings bright.
Hillside speckled with home and harvest. Veins carry life, sun shows.
Dark earth holds perfect wet. Morning air speaks quality. Complete. £5, only finest chosen.
A light touch of green marks honest work.
Toby's pride, this one is. This one is.
Stack careful, leaves need respect.
Ladybug walks. Ecosystem thrive always.
Gardens grow all, tobacco among.
Clean blade cuts true always.
Heavy basket holds day's best. Thread needle, prepare the string.
Pierce central vein. Leaf hangs.
Stringing them right takes time.
Rhythm builds, garland grows long.
A few motes dance where the light chooses to fall.
Plan hang, space matters greatly.
Ancestral shed holds craft complete.
Generations cured here, smoke remembers. First garland hangs, cure begins. Orange haze bathes green leaves.
Wood smoke, sweet herb blend, perfect.
Steady 70, perfect cure temperature.
Generations have cured here.
Peat smoke cures, tradition continues. Smoke ribbons rise, delicate work. Window shows home, hills eternal. Clean pipe awaits careful attention.
Briar grain, brass tool, quality.
Clean pipe brings pure joy.
Hand-carved beauty shows complete craft. Polished mouthpiece, ready for smoke.
Old tins, maps tell history.
Clean pipe ready, work complete.
Green turns amber, cure progresses. Leathery feel shows perfect progress.
Amber orange saturates. Beauty emerges complete.
Breath mixes smoke, layers show. Almost ready for tin.
Single log maintains perfect smoke. Leaf forest surrounds, careful passage. Longbottom seal promises quality always.
Briar waits, big folk smoke.
Each leaf placed. Care continues.
Press firm, leaves pack tight. For debt? For big folk north.
Wax seal proves Longbottom quality.
Three crates stacked. Journey awaits.
Dust marks work. Weariness shows.
Purple sky rewards day well.
Day's done, work is good.
Ember glows perfect, smoke begins.
Perfect ring greets dying sun.
Small figure, vast land watches.
Peace is full pipe. Ancient oak stands. Valley watches.
Orange sun paints, warmth bathes.
Starry smoke too, stars know.
Rings climb, stars begin appearing.
Stars pierce smoke, cosmos watches.
Gandalf would like this batch.
Warm bowl, hands no comfort.
Owl calls, night claims valley.
Smoke turns lavender, twilight magic.
Ash falls, pipe empties, peace.
Hearth warmth welcomes. Inventory begins.
Personal store. Winter provisions secure.
Orange glow warms, home surrounds. Ate it well, Pa. Safe and dry for winter.
Pipes rest ready, organized perfect.
Firelight dances. Hair glows warm.
Shed holds treasure, night watches. Scholar's night, wisdom sought deep. Mary's wisdom opens, learning begins.
Quill captures plant, knowledge grows.
Always more to learn.
Smoke drifts, silent time passes.
Candlelight dances. Drawings live briefly.
Tired eyes seek, day ways.
Dawn loading begins, north calls.
Final crate loaded, journey ready. Wheels wait muddy, earth holds. Blue mist blankets, valley hides. Northward bound before sunrise. Click starts journey, north awaits.
Yellow door waits. Silent returns.
Hills hold heritage, pride swells. Valley swallows cart, journey begins. North continues steady, market awaits.
The Shire rests, the cycle complete.